Hello everyone, welcome back to Memon Tech Tips. Hope you guys are doing great and keeping safe in this pandemic situation. We are almost at the end of 2020. As we all know, 2020 was not a great year. But let's hope for better 2021. Hope is the only thing that keeps us positive. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 5.1 Dolby format supported soundbars. While watching, if you feel this video is useful, please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you haven't subscribed to Memon Tech Tips, please support us by subscribing to Memon Tech Tips for more useful tech videos like this. We post tech videos like this regularly. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The soundbar which has taken 5th position in our list is Boat Avanti soundbar, which is an 5.1 soundbar with 260 watt. This soundbar has a good build quality. Since the watt of the soundbar is less, this is actually good for small rooms as well as PC setup. This has an 5.1 Dolby Digital support. This soundbar has 6 speakers, 5 satellite speaker and 1 subwoofer driver. We consider the best buy for the soundbar is around 10k INR. During Flipkart or Amazon sale, you can actually get this soundbar under 10,000 rupees. The scores for the soundbar are sound quality 3.5 for bass, 3.5 for features, 3.5. But when it comes to value for money, this soundbar scores 4 out of 5. So the overall score of the soundbar is 3.6. So the Boat soundbar takes 5th position in our list. Now let's move on to the 4th position. The 4th position is occupied by Zebronics. Yes, Zebronics Zoukbar 9400. This is a soundbar which has actually boosted Zebronics home theater market in India. The Zebronics Zoukbar 9400 comes with 525 watt and it's an 5.1 soundbar. When it comes to the build quality, this has an average build quality, but the bass of the soundbar is really good because of its high wattage. Since this soundbar has an high impedance speaker, the channel separation is really good. And this soundbar again has 6 speakers, 5 satellite channels as well as 1 bass driver. This soundbar has a Dolby support. During Flipkart or Amazon sale, we can buy this soundbar around 11,000 rupees INR. When it comes to the score of the soundbar, for sound quality and bass, this soundbar takes 4 out of 5. When it comes to the features, that's where the soundbar scores little less, 3 out of 5. Yes, a lot of users also face some kind of quality issues in the soundbar, so we are actually reducing some points in that. For the value for money, definitely for 11 to 12,000 rupees, this soundbar is worth the deal considering the high wattage and high impedance. So overall, this soundbar takes 3.75 out of 5. Now let's move on to the 3rd position. As you expected, definitely RT3 is in our top list. The 3rd position is occupied by Sony HD RT3. This soundbar comes with a massive 600 watt and it's a 5.1 channel soundbar. As usual, the Sony soundbar has a top-in-class build quality, more punchy bass. Specifically to the soundbar which has high watt and low impedance, this is better for large rooms. This soundbar has more punchy bass in our top 5 list. As we all know, Sony's home theater software system is really good, so it has lot of sound mode support. This soundbar supports Dolby Digital 5.1 and it also has 6 speakers. The best buy price for this Sony HD RT3 is around 17,000 rupees. When it comes to the score, RT3 scores 3.8 for the sound quality, 4.5 for the bass, 4 out of 5 for the features and 4 out of 5 for the value for money segment. So the overall score for RT3 is around 4 out of 5. We have given low score for RT3 in sound quality because this soundbar has high wattage and low impedance. Let's move on to the today's runner-up soundbar. The runner-up position is taken by Sony HD S20R 5.1 soundbar. This soundbar comes up with an 400 watt, which makes this soundbar more versatile in small, middle as well as in large size room. As we talked about in RT3, Sony has a powerful software system for home theaters. As we have seen, our top 4 list soundbar has same number of speakers, which is 6. This soundbar has Dolby Digital support. When it comes to the best buy, we can get this soundbar around 15k. The major difference between S20R and RT3 is the powerfulness. This soundbar is more suitable for people who wanna have elegant movie watching experience. But RT3 is majorly for people who love lot of bass effects and punchy movie watching experience. I will suggest you guys to pick S20R over RT3 in most of the cases. If you have a really large room, more than 300 square feet, then RT3 makes sense. So when it comes to the scores for S20R, S20R takes 4.5 for the sound quality, 4 out of 5 for subwoofer performance, 4 out of 5 for features, and when it comes to value for money, this soundbar takes 4.5 out of 5. So the overall score for Sony HT S20R is around 4.125. Between RT3 and S20R, it's actually a really close competition. Since S20R is a recently launched soundbar when compared to RT3, S20R takes an upper hand. Finally, we are here, winner of 5.1 soundbar list for the year 2020. Here we go. The winner is Samson T670 soundbar, which is an 460 watt 5.1 soundbar. This year is really glad to see Samson making lot of good quality soundbars, starting from 5.1, Dolby Atmos, DTS Virtual X. It's really good to see. When it comes to 5.1 segment, this soundbar is really amazing. One major feature of this soundbar is QM Symphony, which has a better pairing system with Samson TVs. So when you pair it with Samson TVs, both Samson TV speakers as well as soundbar gonna play together. As we saw, this soundbar also has a different sound modes. One major advantage of this soundbar when compared to Sony is whatever sound modes you give, it tries to play in all the different speakers. Like if you pass 2.0 stereo channel, it will upscale the audio and play it in all 5.1 channel, which is actually a drawback in Sony. This is the soundbar which has 9 speakers, which means this has for front right, front left and center channel, it has 2 speakers each, and for rear channel it has single speakers. So totally it has 8 satellite speakers and 1 subwoofer driver. Apart from 9 speaker support, this is one of the best true wireless soundbar. Yes, it doesn't need a connection between soundbar to the subwoofer unit as well as to the rear speakers. So there will be 3 different components in this soundbar. Apart from that, this soundbar supports Dolby Digital and DTS Virtual X. We have dedicatedly made a video on sound formats. We'll give the link in the description below. Please check that out. Since this soundbar has Dolby as well as DTS Virtual X support, that's also a major reason which keeps the soundbar in first position. When it comes to the best buy, this soundbar is little bit expensive. We can get the soundbar at around 30,000 rupees INR. Maybe during sale, we can also get the soundbar in lesser price. When it comes to the scoring, sound quality, bass and features, this soundbar gets 4.5 out of 5. But when it comes to value for money, we would give only 3.75. Considering it's actually 10k more expensive than Sony RT3. Still it's a value for money deal. That's why we have given 3.75. So if we have a higher budget, then investing on the soundbar is worth the deal. So the final score of the soundbar is around 4.3. So here is the quick overview. The Boat 5.1 soundbar has an overall score of 3.6, Zebronic Zoukbar has an overall score of 3.75, and RT3 gets an overall score of 4, and S20R gets an overall score of 4.125, and our winner gets an overall score of 4.3 out of 5. So what do you guys think about the top 5 list? You also have the similar top 5 list in your mind, or if you have any other suggestion, please share your thoughts in the comment section below. That will be really helpful. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends if they are looking forward to buy an 5.1 soundbar. If you haven't subscribed to Maimon Tech Tips, please support us by subscribing to Maimon Tech Tips for more useful tech videos like this. We post tech videos like this regularly. You can watch our other videos right here. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you so much.